Hello fellow Disney fans! You'll be glad to hear that Toy Story is here in Singapore from now till the 30th of June at the Gardens by the Bay Supertrees. I'm Mandy and follow me as I hang out with my favourite Toy Story characters. Activities that you can do here, and the best part is it's all free. Visit every game stall and collect stamps. If you get all 7 stamps, you can redeem a prize. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Unfortunately, for some of the games, there are height and weight limits. And for Star Adventure, you have to be below 30 kilos to be able to try this out. There are many programs happening during the event throughout the day. You can find the schedule in your trail book. So much fun today. What's a better way to spend your June holidays with your family and friends? So be sure to come down to the Supertree Grove from now till 30th of June from 10 AM to 9 PM. Don't forget that Toy Story 4 is coming out on the 20th of June in Singapore. And that's it from me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment down below on where you'd like me to go next. Until then, to infinity and beyond!